All right, guys, welcome back to another video, or actually welcome to 2024 turkey season here in Iowa. Aiden and I have been trying to kill turkeys with our bows, and we've been on the grind for, I don't even know what day it is today. It's April something, but Aiden and I are going out to a spot that's got a ton of birds, so I wouldn't be surprised if we get in some action tonight. But we're gonna try to kill. That would be a bonus, but we really want to set a blind here. But there's a ton of birds there, so we're probably going to get into some action, I wouldn't imagine. Kill is a bonus, set the blind, and then if we don't kill tonight, then we'll hunt tomorrow morning. So, well, heck, if you see this video, we've already killed. So congrats, Aiden. Congrats, Dawson. I don't know who's hunting, but I knew you guys would get it done. So I guess enough of my talking head. Let's just quick cut to the action, I guess. So.
What? Yeah, I know. Hungry Ninja. Oh, there he is. Oh. Don't move. Right behind you, probably. Yeah, he's right behind us. came in like he wanted to fight him. And I shot way, I mean not like way over him, but I shot over him. God dang it. He comes. No way. Yeah. I mean, it's too early yet, I guess, but yeah. God dang it. I don't know why the heck I shot. Oh yeah, that. I mean, I should have knew that this is only like 15, not even. Yeah. So, the right and left was fine, I thought. I just shot way too high. Well, God dang it. He's dead. Just go down, you son of a gun. Just go down. Right. Yeah, there he goes. He's done. Alright. So, that just happened. So, we got here, like perfect timing, and they were gobbling all, like the whole morning. And we kept talking back and forth to them. And they finally hit the ground and absolutely just shut up, which we kind of figured, but we just stayed patient. And next thing you know, the hen came out. It was a young Tom. And I shot high. It was at 15 or 14 yards, but I had him right at 20. The left and right was perfect. It just up and down. I just shot high. But we stayed patient. And right around 7 o'clock, this one hammers. He came flying in. He came in, he was very hesitant. And I put my pins, I kind of slid it up a little bit. So it's like maybe at like 17 yards. I don't even know what he ended up being at, but anyway, just absolutely drilled him. So we're gonna stay tight. Aiden's got his arrow knocked, and there's still more birds in the field, but this one went down. He's kind of just bedded there. I mean, I pinwheeled him, so I don't know. Pretty sweet morning yet, but it's not done yet. There's still birds in the field. And Aiden's got his tag, and he's got his bow ready to go. So we're probably just gonna switch spots here quick, and then see what we can get done. But that bird ain't going anywhere, so let's go, dude. Let's go. That was so sweet. Yeah, it was. Having 2 opportunities, you can't really beat that, because I was just beating myself up. Like, how do you miss a 14-yard shot? You don't get opportunities like that. So, alright, we're gonna switch over because there's birds here. How's my hair? I don't look like an idiot. All right, so we gave him obviously all the time that he needed. The first one that I shot at, it grazed him just barely. But we gave this thing plenty of time, and we kind of waited because we had birds in the field yet. But we also had a tom that was firing up maybe half an hour ago, but he was way far that way, and he just kept growing that way. So We're too excited. Is it? Dude, is it snowing? You see that?
Yeah.
Oh, gosh.
It's snowing.
Wow. All right, well, it's snowing now, so. All right, let's go get this thing. Oh, look at that. Broke my Luminac right off. But that thing is absolutely hammered with blood. All right, obviously an extremely eventful morning. They were gobbling like crazy. We heard them even from the car. We got here a little late, but we heard them gobbling from the car. We hauled to the blind, but this place is notorious for, as soon as they hit the ground, they're already henned up and they just quit talking. A hen comes rolling in. We think it's a smaller tom. He didn't have that big of a beard, but he had a full fan on him. But I shot high on him, misjudged the yardage. I grazed him just a little bit, but obviously a non-lethal hit, but ended up shooting high. Didn't kill him, waited for about 30 minutes. This one gobbled right behind us. Yeah, he came strutting in, and he ended up probably shooting him at, I don't know, 25 maybe. But we waited to see if we could get Aiden one, but obviously that didn't end up happening. So maybe later tonight, but I got my bird. Aiden's up next, and yeah, let's get out of here. It's getting cold. It started to snow a little bit on us, so. All right, till next time, I guess, until Aiden gets a bird. Like, subscribe. Oh, do whatever, I guess. Jesus. Okay, yeah, he is heavy. All right, let's roll. Oh.